So we're the clients. You can think about it, it's like on a spectrum. On the far left end, you have, not pictured here, just like everyday retail people, they go to the Chase branch. Just above that, you have people between 1 and 5 million net worth, and there you might have your own dedicated banker at the retail branch. So you can call them, and if you want to get a mortgage, you have a dedicated contact at that retail branch. Now, once you reach $5 to $10 million in net worth, usually this is just your liquid assets. This is like how we measure it, not just like your illiquid, like how much the value of your home, your apartment, or whatever. That's usually not included. Once you reach $5 to $10 million, these are usually like professionals, lawyers, and so on. That's when you become mass affluent. That's like the term for these types of people. And there you get to start working with bankers, financial advisors who work at the corporate headquarters of these major banks. And so these are usually people who have more certifications, more years of experience in the industry, just more educated. So that's the benefit. Once you reach the $10 million threshold, you start to become eligible to bank with the private banks. And once you're there, you get access to top decile performing fund managers, you get access to more experienced advisors, and it's really just all about access. So you can imagine one of the initiatives for one of the banks that I know of, they're planning to roll out a LinkedIn equivalent app just for next gen, so people under the age of 30 who are clients of the private bank. So I mean, just by becoming a client, moving your money to that bank, you get access to this massive network of very also wealthy, but people who are your age who are also starting companies and doing whatever. So that's a benefit you get. And then family office territory is when your net worth reaches about 100 mil. That family office is essentially a company that a family might start. For example, Zuckerberg's, they started Iconic Capital, if you've heard of that, which is a multi-family office, but it's essentially a company that hires investment professionals full-time to manage the wealth of the family that started the company. So Rockefeller's, like Rockefeller Capital Management, as it is today, started off as a family office for just the Rockefellers. Now they're a multi-family office and manage money for a lot of different families. So family offices are also clients of private banks in that they usually pay for proprietary research of whatever bank that they're the clients of. So they'll pay a certain $1 million fee every single year, and in return they get access to the top, the thought leadership and directional market views, like what stock this bank thinks is hot, and so on. You get access to that research.